Australia once declared war on birds, and they lost. In 1932, emus were destroying crops. Farmers demanded government action. The military was called in. They sent soldiers with machine guns. But the emus were smarter than expected. They scattered at the sound of guns. The birds moved too fast to hit. After a week, they'd used 2,500 bullets. They'd killed only about 50 emus. The operation was a complete failure. The media mocked the Emu War. The military withdrew in embarrassment. The emus had won. Have you ever heard a stranger war? Share your thoughts in the comments.